Hello guys! Today we're going to change the radio on this Toyota Corolla hatchback to a new Pioneer one with a dub. I don't know the English word, DAB. Let's go straight to the... You remove the ashtray and lift up this one. No screws. Then it's just a matter of loosening this with a small screwdriver. You can see it's there, and there, there, and there. And of course, unplug the plugs. In here, let me show you. I need a light. Here. There's a 10 millimeters. Two of them. We need to take them out. Let's see if this works. That was okay. Okay. There were not 2 screws. There were 4. Then you need an extension because they are far, far away inside here. Ah, here we have it. Number 4. Done. Let's try again. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Frame off. Done. Okay, then we need to take out the plugs. And last one. Oh, here we go. 3 plugs, 1 radio, which is scrap. And you need these 2. They should then click right in place here and here. This is not used because this is the display for the gasoline mileage use and everything. Not in use anymore. And we have the antenna, which was very, very short and sticky. Okay, here is the bracket we bought from the car radio dealer. This one will fit into this one. Like this. Very nice. Then we have only 2 screws, not 4 like the original. Let's go back inside and let me see. Okay, we need to get the plugs out and the antenna. Then everything should be nice. Yes. Then we have it. Let me see. How is this? Oh. Okay. Just the 2 screws. Yes, they will fit nicely. Excellent. Okay, here we have the adapter for the DAB radio, which has this small nice DAB connection. This is for the old FM, so I need to connect this one to the original antenna. Then we just need to connect the new antenna adapter for the DAB to this remote, and then we have the 2 connectors. This is for the DAB antenna, and this is for the old FM. And then it should be just as easy to plug those 2. They cannot be interchangeable because there are different positions in it. Then we need a key to see if this works. Wait. Sorry. And here we go. Fantastic. It will probably not work inside the garage, but it looks promising so far. Let's put it back in the dash. And let's go outside and change the antenna to the correct antenna, because now it's the old FM. Then you see, much shorter than the FM. So we just unscrew the FM antenna and use this one, which is the DAB antenna. It has the same thread diameter. I think it's 5 millimeter. And it should be okay. Nice, long, short. Then it's just a matter of clicking the frame back. Fantastic sound quality compared to the original one. Then it's just a matter of putting the dash back and everything should be good to go. It's just a matter of connecting this. They only fit one way. Oops. There we go. And let's see if everything works. Yes. Fan goes up and down, temperature up and down. Fan off virker den også. Fantastisk. Working, 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 working. Everything working. Works. Excellent. Then you just and that's it. And then this same for this one. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Then the last bit is the ashtray. And here we go. Yes, fantastic. Til og med en offer virker, vet du. Excellent. Okay, that's it. Let's take the car outside and see if we get some radio signal.